Great. Come on and make yourselves comfortable. Welcome to the Titan.
Ready to go?
Certainly.
Awesome.
Certainly.
It feels good. I like it
Oh,
up there.
okay, this is really steep, bro.
I'm kind of scared.
Oh my God!
Look.
I don't know. I don't want to get you.
Oh.
One of the easy.
The only thing you have to concentrate on is holding the wheel straight.
Okay.
So that system actually steps in and keeps your vehicle at a controlled pace.
Do not break.
How crazy it is. Yep.
Don't push the brake.
No.
You sure?
Yeah, absolutely.
You got me nervous, huh?
Perfect. So well done.
Check that out. Wow.
Nice.
Oh my gosh! All right.
You get lower and you can just really control it.
Oh, this is better than the state fair.
Yoo-hoo.
Look at that.
Wow, this is awesome.
First, you get your truck, huh?
Dude, that definitely shows off.
Just having your test drive.
And as we transfer over to the boulders,
Wait, waiting just for the property.
yeah,
I was expecting that to be a lot worse.
Oh my,
this is
Big man.
good.
All right. Like I've done this before.
Yeah. He's a Titan man.
oh, that's great.
Yeah.
My Chevy doesn't do this.
You got a heck of a course set up.
And you'll just grab and go.
Wow. That's cool.
And you feel them coming down.
I feel like I'm in a Giants race.
I want it. I want it.
Right?
That's insane. The
Right?
clearance this has.
See, I'm not driving slow because I'm scared because it just feels so good.
Dude, this is awesome. Turns real.
All comfortable. I ain't banged my head one time.
That's amazing. This is showing 17-degree angle.
Wow.
There you go.
I
Straight it up.
thought this was possible. I'm sorry. This is way better than a roller coaster.
This makes our truck look like garbage.
What are you driving now? The Dodge.
This off Camber Hill, crazy. And then nice and smooth through here because you're only going to be on two wheels right now. And it moves all the power to those two wheels until the other ones get back on the ground like that, right about there. And now these are off the ground.
That'd be fun to watch this from
It's
the outside.
great from the outside.
I've driven all of them except the Nissan, but I've been considering my next one to be a Titan.
I would feel very comfortable driving this around.
That is very smooth. I want one.
It goes by itself too.
Yep, it has the torque necessary to just pull you along.
Wow, it's doing it by itself.
One didn't make it.
Yep.
Must have been a farm. I need a farm and a Titan now.
Well, this is cool. I'm glad we did this.
It's a nice truck.
I don't feel rough at all either. Well, I love this truck. How much is this truck?
I actually thought about looking at a Nissan next time because they got so much bigger, you know.
But this is a nice back seat right here. A lot of legroom in it. The interior of these trucks are beautiful.
That was awesome.
Right.
That was actually super cool.
No, I like this truck.
You want to keep it?
I would probably check it out because that was impressive. This is nice, man.
This is awesome. I mean, this is a great truck.
Like an amazing, cool experience.
That's actually the first time I've been able to drive a Nissan. I hadn't just took the time to do it.
Yeah.
That's a nice truck. I like the color too.
That's probably the funnest ride I'll do today.